To refine your search results or to add multiple results at once to the workspace, you can use the Advanced Search panel to specify additional conditions. To open the Advanced Search panel from the workspace, click on Advanced in the search bar or on More Results at the end of the result list. In the bottom right corner, you see how many items match your search. You can navigate the result list using the arrows on the left. There are several filter options to help you narrow down your search. With the first menu, you specify if you are searching for nodes or edges, and if you want results from the entire database or only from the current visualization. Use the Fuzziness option menu to specify how closely the result should match your search. You can also type in the name of a specific category to narrow the results to that category. The property filter lets you specify for a given property what it should contain. Choose a property and type in the value you are looking for. Click on a result in the list to open an overview panel of its properties. Tick the box on the left to select the results you want to add to the workspace and press Add All. You can select as many items as you want.